so here is the Fall Floral Sticker of the Month in this Also Paper November 2021 subscription. I absolutely love these dolls. Look at that. So cute. A beautiful fall floral magnet bookmark. All right, so next up are these coordinating page flags. They are so cute. I'm loving the colors. And they also have like a little frost look to it when you pull it up and put it on the page. It's a little transparent, but it also has like a little frost tone to it. So that is really good to place in our planners or our journals. Next up, we do get, I guess this is like a little freebie sticker here of the Fall Floral Menonista dolls. I think they're so cute. Up is the magnet for the month, and it's super cute for me to go ahead and add to my collection. And I think this is my 19th magnet in my collection. I think I'm missing about 4 or 5 magnets, but all in all, this is my 19th fall Also Paper magnet. So cute. I'm loving this. Definitely going to be adding this to my planner cart. Next up, we are going to get these 2 beautiful cards, or like postcards, journaling cards, whatever you want to call it. I think they're really cute. I do like the dolls on here. And then on the back, it has a quote that says, "Eat, drink, and give thanks." And then on the back of this one is actually just some decorative backing to this, or a decorative background. But they all go with each other. Like these 2 can go together, put in a nice picture frame, or these 2 can go together. I just love how all of them just kind of coordinate and complement each other. Next up is something new. Well, probably not new. It's new for me. Washi tape. So I'm so excited about this washi tape because I do love Also Paper and her dolls. And then also to just get this extra little stationery item in here just to add to my planner spreads is definitely going to just kind of elevate my planner spread. So I'm really excited about that. It does have like these gold foil leaves on there to give you that fall floral effect. So cute. And then you get each of the Menonista dolls on here. Cannot wait to use it. And then we get this decorative one here that is more of like a color. It reminds me of like the little page flags. That's what it reminds me of. So we get this washi here. If I can grab it. There we go. And then it just has like the coordinating colors. Again, like I said, it reminds me of the page flags in here. All right, next up, we are going to get 3 sheets of decals, and they come with 22 decals on here. So this is the first page. It says Fall Breeze, Autumn Leaves. And then we get this right here with the pumpkins, the fall leaves, and then you have fall at the bottom. And then next is this one. So this is the 3rd page, and it says Fall Vibes. And I love how you have the like the black and white little decorative leaves and pumpkins. So cute. Love it. All right, so lastly in this Fall Floral subscription box, we are going to take a look at the Mini Friends monthly sticker pack by Also Paper. It will come in 10 sheets, and it has 341 stickers in the inside. So here is page 1. We are going to get Menonista doll, or Mini Friends, Zelia and Emery. So cute. Check out the outfits. I'm so here for the outfits. They are so cute. Second page, we're going to get Kayla and Kimora. Next, we're going to look at Miss Farah and Nova. I'm loving Nova. Look at the boots, honey. So cute. Then we are going to come to these functional stickers, and I'm really excited because this is almost like an Also Paper sticker kit, and I'm really excited that she's sort of kind of bringing this back. And so we get some habit trackers here. We get some of this a longer sticker here that is great to put in that little monthly tab, or either left or right side of your planners, or even wherever you want to place them in your planners. These would be great to kind of keep little notes as well. Then we get some of these I call these like little wacky holiday stickers that she does for each of the months. And then you get some checklist boxes here, and then also some more boxes here. And then we get some decorative stickers, not only of the Menonista dolls, but also we get some little quotes and then some icons here. We do get some foil Icons are little decorative stickers here with the leaves and the pumpkins here. I think they're really cute. I'm just loving the mini friends, like all the girls together. That is so cute. Loving this. Here is the next page. We got a little autumn vibe going on here. Also reminds you of the little decal that we have here, of the little cling decal. That's what this sticker sheet reminds me of. And then we have our days of the weeks here. So definitely we can use this as a weekly spread, especially with those decorative boxes as well. This is so cute. So not only are we going to get those colorful boxes and functional sticker boxes, but I'm loving these as well. So I don't know if you guys have been checking out some of my other subscription unboxings of Oso paper back when she first started doing this. So she kind of did this before, and I think it was like a May of 2019 theme where we got like a whole book of just decorative stickers and these little full boxes as well with these little elements in here. I just think they were so cute. So I do like that she's bringing this back. And then here is the next page. We got some functional stickers again. We got some note to self, bill due, payday, tidy up, and self-care. And then we get some washi strips here. So even though we got washi strips along with the subscription, I do like how she just throw that little piece in there. And then we get some flag and arrow stickers. And then we get the Menonista dolls, or the mini friends here, all each in their own little bubble. And then we get page number 9. Again, colorful boxes, definitely great to kind of layer with those decorative full boxes that we just saw with the Menonista dolls in there. Very decorative. And I'm getting into layering, so I cannot wait to use this kit and start planning with it. And then we get some more icon stickers. So this is new too. I don't have nothing like this in my collection since I've been with Oso paper subscription, but this is really cute. I like this. And it's almost like a nice little gloss to it a little bit, but very smooth. So we got some exclamation points, asterisks, carts, dollar signs, stars, envelopes, hearts, teardrop, or it could be water, dinner, icons, bedtime, fitness. This could be like delivery boxes here. And then also just some more decorative or holiday stickers too, because you get the pumpkin, the turkey, the jam, the pie. So cute. All right, my Tea Party Squad. So that was a look at Oso Paper's November 2021 Fall Floral subscription. I think it's so cute. I'm loving the theme of this. And so if you guys want to see how I store and organize all of my Oso Paper stickers, then you want to make sure that you're following me on Instagram, because I will be sharing that on Tea Time Tuesday in my next episode. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. I will put the link to my Instagram account in the description box below, so you can go ahead and click that and start following me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.